Hey, look at how far you've come. High five. Don't forget to keep practicing. It may sound like a broken record, but the best way to stay up to speed on your typing skills is with 6 simple words. Practice, 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 technique, technique, technique. Even if it's just 15 minutes of daily practice, the benefits you receive from it are enormous. Whether you're typing, playing basketball, racing against your friends in Nitro Type, or any other skill-related activity, the more you do it, the better you'll be at it. Keep in mind, it's not just what you practice that makes a difference, but how you practice as well. Keep an eye on your technique. Otherwise, you'll start to notice your typing getting rusty over time. Need an extra skill boost? Of course you do! Join us in the practice lessons for a dose of daily practice. We'll see you there!